Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. The world's economy is expanding in most places despite some hot pressures. The week ahead will crescendo on Wednesday with the RBNZ Monetary Policy Review and the OCR decision. But there'll be a lot of other things going on as well. But first we should note that today is the final day of the Chinese Mid-Autumn Festival and normal work will restart tomorrow. And in Australia, most of their eastern states will be on holiday today, except Victoria. New South Wales and Victoria will have moved on to summertime, so they're back 2 hours behind us. But the big news over the weekend was the eye-catching headline rise in the US non-farm payrolls of 254,000, almost double the expected 130,000 rise. And as regular viewers will know, we also checked the actual change, which was almost double that, at 460,000, all very impressive. And the East Coast Gulf port strike has been settled, so that is no longer an economic irritant. This result is of outsized change and had an impact on financial markets. While the equity markets didn't react, the bond markets did, juicing up benchmark US Treasury yields noticeably. The US dollar rose sharply too. And the US Fed may well be restrained by this labour market surge. Cutting rates into a fast-rising economy would be inflationary. They've only just gotten things back on an even keel. By any measure, they've achieved a soft landing. They seem to be set up for a solid 2025 expansion, provided their economic management stays professional, of course. And China may still be on holiday, and by official accounts, travel-related activity is normal, but other aspects of their economy are still a worry. When they return tomorrow, we'll likely see the start of the rollout of their signalled fiscal bazooka. Singapore delivered good retail results for August, and Vietnam surprised observers by releasing data that showed their economy grew 7.4% in the third quarter of 2024, driven by exports. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now just on 3.97% and down 2 basis points from Saturday, but up 20 basis points from this time last week. And the price of gold will start today at $2,653 an ounce and up $4 from Saturday. And oil prices are down $1 at $74.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just on $78 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 61.6 US cents, unchanged from Saturday, but a big 2-cent fall from a week ago. Against the Aussie, we're still at 90.6 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're down 10 basis points to 56.1 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just under 69.7 and unchanged from Saturday, but down 100 basis points from a week ago. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.